Club ya Real de Bangui okuva mu ggwanga erya Central African Republic batuuse dda mu ggwanga Uganda okuddingana ne Club ya Vipers mu mpiira gwa CAF Champions League era olunaku olwaleero batendekeddwa oli ku St Mary Stadium ekitende. Omupiira ogwasooka Vipers yakuwangula ggoolo 3 ku bwerere wabula kapiteeni waabwe Milton Kalisa agamba tebinnaggwa.
The game we have not qualified yet because the job is halfway done. We still have the second leg and we still have to keep the same mentality going towards the game. It's not all about because we won away so it's over. No, it's not, because like the coach said, in football anything can happen, so we need to keep that in mind and we need to have that courageous mind that we have to win, especially when we're at home.
N'omutendesi we Robertinho Oliveira naye atubuulidde nti mu mupiira buli kimu kisoboka wabula kkiririza mu bazannyi be nti basobola okumaliriza omulimu.
Our team play well and win. The second half we play very, very well because our objective now will be second round, okay? But it's not easy. In football it's not exactly science. In football everything is possible.
Ayitawo wakati wa Vipers ne Real de Bangui wakutunka ne club ya Tipi Mazembe okuva mu ggwanga erya Congo ku mutendera oguddako. Abel Kitaka, Salt TV, Omunyo.